Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to swap in Metamask your cryptocurrencies. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, you want to go ahead to your Metamask and you want to click on swap button. Now, as you can see, I'm here on Ethereum network and now I can go ahead and exchange from one token to another. So for example, I'm having Pepe token here and I want to go ahead and select and transfer it to ETH. So you can go ahead and enter the amount you want to go ahead and transfer. After this, you will see how much you will get and you will see gas fee. So the gas fee is that much of ETH. Now you need to make sure that you have gas fee money. So for example, for today, it is ETH. Now, if you go ahead from this swap section, and choose another network. So for example, BNB chain. Now you click on swap. And for example, from this coin, you want to go ahead and choose this one. Now, when you enter it, let's see how much we will get and what is the fee. Now, as you can see, the estimated gas fee is that much BNB. So also, if you are transferring from BNB Smart Chain, you need to go ahead and have BNBs. If you are transferring from Ethereum, then you will need to go ahead and have Ethereum. As you can see, the gas fee is dependent on in what chain you are. So that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.